Introducing the Speedy 100 Cross, the first industrial-grade diode laser plotter for precision marking and cutting, designed for high-quality processing of metals and organic materials. It handles work areas up to 610 by 305 millimeters or 24 by 12 inches with absolute accuracy. Boost your efficiency with Ruby Laser software. Prepare and produce jobs independently, anytime, anywhere. Enjoy flexible, cost-effective, and permanent marking, even for small batches. Built-in safety features mean no additional safety equipment is required. Take full control of your production, insourcing made easy. Enhance your operational efficiency by managing every step, from job prep to production, all in-house. The Speedy 100 Cross, precision, flexibility, and independence in one powerful solution.